What I wish I knew back when I got my first pup, it's simple. A trip to the groomer does more than just snip snip. All right, folks, let's dive into the fluffy world of dog grooming. Imagine this. Your dog struts into the grooming shop, tail wagging, maybe a bit of a mess. Fast forward 30 minutes and bam, out comes a superstar. Why, you ask? Well, grooming isn't just about making your furry friend look good. It's a checkup for their health too. We're talking coat brushing that detangles and removes old fur, keeping those pesky mats at bay. And let's not forget the bath. Oh, the magic of a good scrub. It's spa day for them, but it also wards off skin infections. Now picture this. Those overgrown nails getting a neat trim. No more click-clack on the floor, right? Plus, it's essential for their posture and joint health. And here's the cherry on top. While your pup's getting pampered, groomers keep an eye out for any lumps, bumps, or signs of trouble. Early detection? Yes, please. So next time your dog gives you those puppy eyes when it's time for a grooming session, remember, it's not just a beauty routine. It's a joy ride to Health Town, and they absolutely love it. Now, who's a good owner?